Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to fix banned Shopee account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, try to understand why your Shopee account might have been banned. Common reasons include policy violations such as engaging in fraudulent activities, selling prohibited items, or breaching community guidelines. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix banned Shopee account. The first, what you need to do is open the Shopee app. Launch the Shopee app on your device and log into your account if possible. Now what you got to do next is look for the Help Center option in the app menu. This is usually found in the Profile or Account Settings section. Once in the Help Center, browse through the options to find Contact Support or Submit a Request. Tap on it to proceed. After you have done all that, you will be prompted to describe the issue you are facing. Be honest and provide as much detail as possible about why your account was banned and any steps you have taken to address the situation. After submitting your request, Shopee's support team will review your case and get back to you via email or within the app. This process may take some time, so be patient and check your inbox regularly for updates. If Shopee determines that your account was banned in error or if you have taken corrective actions, they may reinstate your account. However, if the ban was due to serious policy violations, resolving the issue might be more challenging. Remember to adhere to Shopee's policies and guidelines to maintain a positive selling experience on the platform. And that's pretty much all about how you can fix your banned Shopee account. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. See you in the next one.